This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Shannon Allen. Impeccable all-brick ranch with an impressive custom edition outfitted with stunning features and quality materials. Featuring over 2,649 square feet, this property boasts an open floor plan anchored by a true gourmet kitchen outfitted with a Wolf oven, convection oven, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops and center island with sink. There are 4 bedrooms and 2 en suites. The primary bedroom is spacious with a tray ceiling, recessed lighting, large walk-in closet, luxury bath with a steamer shower, 2 vanities and soaking tub, plus French doors leading to the back deck and pool. Located in desirable Baylake Pines, a golf cart-friendly community where residents enjoy private beach access, this home sits on almost half an acre and includes a saltwater pool, deck, whole house generator, solid hardwood flooring, recessed lighting, new windows throughout, custom shutters, tankless water heater, dual-zone HVAC, 1-car garage. No flood insurance. For more information, review the details below or contact Shannon Allen at 757-647-3126.